Hello, my name is Sajan. I'm a full stack developer, and today I'll be walking you through how to build a simple stock market monitoring dashboard using Next.js and the WebSocket API. Let's dive in and get started. I have set up a simple Next.js project with some key dependencies and dev dependencies: WS, recharts, nodemon, and tsnode. Here is a quick overview of the setup and configuration. To start, I created a separate tsconfig.server.json file to support a custom server setup, allowing us to handle both WebSocket and HTTP requests together. By extending the default tsconfig.json file, I adjusted the compiler options to support custom server.ts file. I installed nodemon to automatically restart the server whenever file changes. For configuration, I added nodemon.json file to specify which files to monitor, the execution commands, and necessary extensions. In the server.ts file, I initiated a WebSocket server running on port 3001. To integrate WebSocket with Next.js, I modified the Next.js configuration to manage request and response handling for WebSocket communication. For this demo, I created a helper function that fetches data from the polygon.io. It's an API to provide stock market data. So I'm iterating through 5 stock symbols with historical dates and storing that data in a temporary array. And every 5 seconds, I simulate and updates by randomizing values to show the changes on the UI. Since I'm using the free version of polygon.io, I fetch data only once to stay within the API's rate limit of 5 requests per minute. In the UI component, page.tsx file, I used useClient directive and set up 3 local states to manage and display the changes on the UI. I also used useEffect hook to initiate the WebSocket connection with our server. Inside the hook, I listened 3 WebSocket events, that is onOpen, onMessage, and onClose. In onOpen and onClose, I updated the UI to reflect the WebSocket connection status. For onMessage, I checked if the event data was a JSON string. If it was, I parsed it and updated the stocks array whenever it contains a new data. For this, I have a simple helper function which checks if the string is a JSON, true, otherwise it returns false. This setup provides a dynamic and responsive experience and showcasing live stock updates directly in the UI. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Also, check out my newsletter where I share valuable insights and tips on web development. See you on the next video.